Good morning, students. Today we are starting with our question number 2. Question number 2 is find the surface area of sphere of diameter 14 centimeter. So we know that the surface area of sphere is surface area of sphere that is equals to 4 pi r square. So what is given here? So here the value of radius diameter is given, that is 14 centimeter. So here the value of, in first part, the value of diameter is given, that is u of 14 centimeter. It means the value of radius is half of this diameter, so 14 divided by 2, that is 7 centimeter. And surface area of sphere will become, that will become 4 pi r square. The value of pi is 22.7. The value of radius is 7 into 7. Radius here, the radius have square, so 7 is multiplied 2 times. So this 7 will cancel and you will obtain the value to be 88 into 7. So on multiplying you will obtain the value to be 616 centimeter square. So the value of this surface area of sphere will become 616 centimeter square. So in the next part the value of diameter is given, that is 21 centimeter. So in next part the value of diameter is given, that is 21 centimeter. So the radius will become, the value of radius will become 21 divided by 2 centimeter. So it will divide with 2. So we know that the value of surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. So on putting the value we will obtain 4 into pi is 22.7. The value of radius is 21 upon 2 into 21 upon 2. So this 2 1 the 2, 2 to the 4, this again 2 1 the 2, this 2 will cancel, 7 1 the 7, 7 3 the 21. On multiplying you will obtain 22 into this 63. What will you obtain? The value you obtain is 1386 centimeter square. So this is your required surface area of sphere. And in the third part the radius is given, that is 3.5 diameter is given, that is 3.5 meter. So in third part the diameter is given 3.5 centimeter, so meter. So the value of radius is, so here the value of, in third part the value of radius will become half of this 3.5 divided by 2. So on putting the value of surface area of sphere, so what is the surface area of sphere? It is 4 pi r square. On putting here you will obtain 4 into, the value of pi is 22.7, the value of radius is 3.5 divided by 2 into 3.5 divided by 2. On solving you will obtain the value to be 38.50 meter square. That is your required answer. So here the value is given in meter, so here this is in meter. So our next question is question number 3. So question number 3 is find the total surface area of hemisphere. So we know that hemisphere, this is your hemisphere and it has two type of area. First is your curved surface area of hemisphere, so that is equals to your 2 pi, the value here is equals to 2 pi r square. But total surface area of hemisphere involve this curved surface area plus this circle, plus this area of circle, so it will become 2 pi r square plus area of circle is pi r square, so on adding it will become 3 pi r square. So this is a formula for total surface area of hemisphere. So here the value of radius is given, that is 10 centimeter. So the total surface area of hemisphere will become it is 3 pi r square. So 3 into pi is 22.7 into the value of radius is 10 centimeter, so it is multiplied 2 times because it is r square. So on solving, what will we obtain? We will obtain the value to be so here in question it is given that use the value of pi to be 3.14. so we will not use this value, we will use the value to be 3.14 into 10 into 10. So answer will be 942 centimeter square. So that is your required answer. So next question is question number 4. Question number 4 is a radius of spherical balloon increases from 7 centimeter to 14 centimeter. So this is your balloon. First it has radius of this 7 centimeter. Then after pumping air into it, it will become the radius of 14 centimeter. So what is the find the ratio of surface area of the balloon in two cases? So we have to find the surface area in these cases. In first case the surface area is 4 pi r square. In second case the surface area is 4 pi capital R square, because the radius is different in both the cases. So we have to calculate the ratio here. So in first case we will use the radius to be 7 centimeters. So 4 into pi is 22.7 into radius is your 7 into 7. And in the second case the value of this radius is 14, so 14 multiplied by 14. On solving, the radius of this small balloon, this is your small balloon, this is your large balloon. So this will obtain 616 centimeter square, and the area of this large balloon will obtain, we will obtain the value here to be 2464 centimeter square. So we have to calculate the ratio. So ratio is, we will divide both the terms, that is small balloon area divided by large balloon area. So small balloon area is 616, large balloon area is 2464. On solving you will obtain this goes to 1/4. So ratio will become 1/4. So that is the required ratio of surface area in two cases, that is 1/4. Next we will do tomorrow via Zoom meeting. Thank you students.